Hey guys, TechNutso here, back again with another video. I published a video on using the iPhone 4S in 2022, and thanks to all of you for all the love you have given to the video. If you are new to the channel, I have given the link to the video in the description and in the I button, go watch it. During that video, my iPhone 4S was running on iOS 9.1.6 and the experience was not very good as the performance was laggy and sluggish. So I researched online that is it possible to downgrade the iPhone 4S, and I got to know that it is possible to downgrade the iPhone 4S to iOS 6, which is the second major OS update to the 4S after the iOS 5. I have successfully downgraded and used it for a couple of months now. My experience has been very smooth. I also ran an Antutu benchmark and the score has been improved by 1600 points on the iOS 6. So I thought I would share the downgrade process with you all so that you could enjoy using the iPhone 4S in 2023. So let's begin. You need to have a Windows PC or laptop, an internet connection, a perfectly working data cable and couple of hours. I am currently running iOS 6 on my iPhone 4S, but to show you the downgrade process, I am updating it to iOS 9. My all jailbreak tweaks are going to vanish, but it's alright. Disclaimer: this video is for educational purposes only. I will take no responsibility for any broken brick devices. If you choose to jailbreak and downgrade your device, it is your sole responsibility for any damages caused. Start by downloading the 3U Tools version 2.57 and 2.56. I have given the links below. We have to jailbreak the iPhone 4S at first. Install the 3U Tools version 2.57, connect your iPhone 4S and click on Jailbreak now. Tick the Finish Jailbreak and click on Start Jailbreak. It might fail the first time as we need to disable the antivirus. Click on the threat, open the antivirus menu, click on the virus and threat protection option and turn off the real-time protection. Here I am assuming we all are using Windows 10 and above. And now go back to 3U Tools and retry the jailbreak process. 3U Tools will need your Apple ID credentials to proceed. I have put them in and the process is on. It will also ask for a 6-digit verification code for your other Apple device. Put that in. Now after the jailbreak is installed, trust the jailbreak profile by going into General and Device Management. An app named Phoenix will appear on your home screen. Open it and tap on Prepare for Jailbreak. Accept the T&C, tap on Proceed with Jailbreak and then begin the installation. Use the provided offsets on the app. iPhone will restart and it is now jailbroken. If it doesn't work on the first attempt, try again with the Phoenix app. Now we need to install a tweak named KDFU app which can be accessed by adding a repo named but both of them are not working. So what I did here is that I downloaded the tweak files from the internet and installed them manually. So after you have jailbroken your iPhone, open Cydia and install Filza File Manager. I have zipped the 4 tweak files and linked them below. Download them and mail them to an email that you have on your iPhone 4S. I have mailed these files from my Gmail to my iCloud. Now open the Mail app and tap on them one by one and tap on Copy to Filza. Open Filza File Manager and install them. After installing, there is an action button on the right. Tap on it and select UI Cache. Do this process for all 4 files. Open Cydia and tap on Install. There you will see KDFU app. Tap on it, tap on Modify and select Reinstall. The KDFU app will now be ready to use. Download the iOS 6 update file from the link given below. Uninstall the existing 3U Tools and install the version 2.56. Now open the KDFU app and toggle the options one by one and click on Enter KDFU. Now the iPhone will show up on the 3U Tools as it is in DFU mode. Now click on Go Flash and import the iOS 6 file you have downloaded. Select Quick Flash and click on the Flash button. Now 3U Tools will flash the iOS 6 firmware on your iPhone 4S. Sit back and don't interrupt the process. You will see an Apple logo with a slide cut in it and a progress bar below it. The flashing process will take some time. And bam! You have successfully downgraded your iPhone 4S to iOS 6. Now set it up with your Apple ID. The Apple ID verification code is to be entered after your password. you will instantly feel that the performance is snappier than the iOS 9. So here I end my video. Hope you found this tutorial helpful. A like and subscribe would be appreciated. Thanks. Drop your queries in the comments below and the relevant ones will be answered. See you guys in the next one. TechNutso signing off.